Hey everybody, today we're going to be playing some Airsoft and some really cool courses like that castle and just a bunch of cool areas.
Yeah, that's pretty fun. This place, y'all need to come check it out. It's called Alabama Paintball Quest. It's got a bunch of courses and they're all clean and well kept. And it's spread out over, I think, 40 acres, so it's pretty fun. And I think it's paintball and then
there's Airsoft.
Yeah, it's paintball right now, but they're going to convert it to Airsoft soon, so y'all should come check it out.
And thanks to OJ for letting us come down here.
Yeah, OJ.
Y'all have it really good here, I think.
Yeah. We haven't even tried out all the courses. We want to try out this one. It was really fun, but
yeah, so far.
They have this castle and one over there. It's made up of like these silver things. I don't really know what they are, like tubes, and then tires, and then a bunch of other stuff. It's fun.
But y'all come down here. The description's down below. Will pop up on screen right here, and see y'all later.
Thanks, OJ.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go!
Alright guys, welcome back to the quads. We're doing another Airsoft video today.
But this time, in a castle.
I am starting by this paintball course. It's fun. I think their new name is going to be Alabama Paintball Quest.
I see. Right, okay, we have balloons. We each have 2 balloons. And we cannot pop them. If your balloons pop, you're out.
Pretty simple. Whoever gets the 2 balloons out first loses.
So I'm in a castle right now. Which might not be the best spot. I don't know where he is. I see him. He's right up in there.
I don't know where in the world he is. Oh, I see him. I see him. Little Japanese person. Does Jonathan not look Japanese? Tell me if he looks Japanese, please. Put in the comments.
Walking through this, I don't want to pop my balloons. Don't want to pop my balloons. And I don't want to be in this castle. He could be anywhere right now, so I gotta be really careful.
Oh,
I see him. He's over here. Okay. So pop. Okay.
oh.
Oh shoot! They get spot. Peek. Oh, I saw that, but Oh my gosh.
I see you creeping. I see you creeping.
Dang it. Here we go. Oh my gosh, he sprinted up there. Oh. You sprinted. Spiders.
Dang it!
He's trying to escape it. Where is he? Oh my goodness. He's trying to. He's gonna try to. I think someone here. Oh my gosh. Oh shoot. I already got shot in the arm. That kinda hurt.
Keep getting like tiny little glimpses of his balloon, but then you just can't shoot him.
Basically, we both lost a balloon, and we decided to get rid of one of the balloons because it was taking too long to pop. And so now we're just doing whoever gets hit next is out. So let's do it. So I don't know if that's good because I've gotten hit so many times before we did that rule.
All right, guys. So we the balloons were kind of hard to pop, so we just decided to play it out. We both ended in a tie, so kind of worked out. But so we're just gonna play it.
Okay, we're just gonna sit here and pray that we don't get hit.
So sorry, it's kind of hard to see, but you'll hear him when he screams. Oh gosh. Oh, that's scary.
Come on, come on. No, he's not doing full auto. Nope. can't see. I cannot see. We have one. I'm out. Dang it. Shot in the foot. I wanted to get out soon, bro. I can't take the heat. I'm getting lightheaded, bro. Let's get some water first and then we can just do shots.
Yeah. I hit the balloon. Ah. Oh, nice. Got you. You're out.